Today for Maintenance Minute, I'm going to show you a GFCI outlet. We have 4 of them roughly located in your home. We have one located in one of your bathrooms, 2 in the kitchen, 1 outside on your back deck or porch. If any of your outlets in your bathrooms or kitchen has lost power, this here is where I would come first. So let's hold off on the service request for 1 moment. You're going to come in your bathroom, you're going to see if it has been tripped. There will be a light that comes on, either red or orange like this. All you're going to do, you have 2 buttons here, a test and a reset. You're going to hit the reset button, and now your outlet has been reset for your bathrooms or your kitchen. If there is a continuous fault, as soon as you reset it, it will trip again. At that point, place a service request, or you can go ahead and unplug any of the items around, plug it into any of the other outlets, and then push it again and see if that has fixed the issue.